Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Hopefully, everyone is having a wonderful day at home. It is Thursday, December 9th. We've since found out that our bus drivers are going to be going on strike. I wanted to get this message out to you and communicate some expectations as we go through this time. All right. As I've communicated over the past couple days, the past couple weeks, we very much have a target to reach. And we really, after this week, we've got 2 more full weeks of class. We have a short week before break, and then we've got a short week before finals. So we do need to still continue to move forward. So I want to get this out to you, give you an idea of what you need to look for. Some of you, starting tomorrow, some of you will continue to be at home. Some of you will still come into the building. You're still going to need to get your work done either way, okay? And I just want to point a couple things out, all right? So our Schoology page here, same as always. Find it in your courses. You should land on our materials page here. As we scroll down, we've seen things that we've worked on in the past. The intro folder, Unit 1, we're done with. Unit 2, we're almost done with. But moving forward, I'm going to put daily folders. So you see that I have one here titled Thursday, December 9th. And if you click into there, I have 2 things that you need to look for. One is this attendance form. This I need you to complete if you are not in the building. All right, very simple. I'm going to be running this while we're and during this bus strike. Give me your last name, give me your first name. What period are you in? You're either in my 3-4 or the 5-6 block. One question I have for you today is, do you plan on coming to school tomorrow? And then click submit. You will need to do this to be marked present today. If you are going to be attending school remotely, you're going to need to complete this form every day to be marked present if you are remote. Getting back to our folder for today, Thursday, December 9th, I do have some materials from 4.1. All right. Investigation 4, I do want to try and complete before we go home for winter break. If you open it up, you should see a couple things. We've got a warm-up, simulation. Instead of giving you a handout, I've attached this in a Google Doc. As you open up the simulation, all right, we have a couple different atoms here, all right, and you are able to start and to stop it. You'll notice that as different bonds occur, it'll map the energy on the right. I don't want to let that play for too long because you'll be able to do that yourself. Simulation, and again, some questions to go along the way. There is a link for a demonstration here you can take a look at. I don't have any questions to go along with that, and then a check for understanding at the end. All right, these should all be completed by this evening. If you have any questions, shoot them to me on Schoology. I hope to see you guys soon. Have a great afternoon.